What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the randoms and the giveaway, the $100 giveaway for SP Game Used. We're going to go live. 727. 727. So first up, we got the Kopitar and Pacioretty dual All-Star Skills jersey. We're going to go 3 times. We're going 3 times on everything, guys. 1, 2, 3. Vegas. Going to Corey. Next, we got the Roman Yossi and Shea Weber All-Stars. 1, 2, and 3. Nashville gets that one. That is going to Andrew. Next up, we got the quad jersey of Holpe, Yari, Vasilevsky, and Anderson. 1, 2, and 3. Toronto going to Durkin. And next, we got the $100 giveaway for 3 spot holders. We got Durkin, Wilson, and Kupski. 3 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, maybe not 2, 2. There we go. And 3. Andrew with the $100 group break credit. Congrats. We'll do one more timestamp. 628. 628.